Good morning, everyone. I am Dev Mahana, and today I am going to discuss on the topic project monitoring and evaluation. So, project monitoring. Monitoring means keeping a track of implementation process. It is a continuous management function. Monitoring involves watching the progress of a project against time, resources and performance, schedules during the execution of the project and identifying lagging areas requiring timely attention and action. Tools for monitoring. One of the greatest weakness of management information is the lack of effective and timely communication of information to the users. Some monitoring staff often invest too much time and resources in gathering data which they frequently fail to interrupt and present in the form that will convey the meaning of the progress made. This should be avoided if possible. The importance of communication in the project management is equally critical. It is the oil that lubricates the project movement in the attainment of the stated objectives. Verbal communication. This is probably the most effective mode of communication. Among its advantage is that it is quick and its presentation can be adapted to concern and questions of the audience. However, these type of tool to communicate monitoring information can lead to misunderstanding, sometimes denial of information. Meetings. The very nature of project or program management makes it inevitable that certain meetings are uh, convened to communicate and share project information. One need to be cautioned that while it is important to have meeting, they should be used as effective tools. Meetings can be used for sharing and interchanging information, clarifying, stimulating, and seek the best solution regarding project performance. Reports. The importance of monitoring reports should not be overlooked. It should be noted that these are essential part of project program monitoring, activities undertaken, inputs supplied, money disbursed, etc. have to be recorded and accounted for. However, reports are of only effective if they are submitted to the right people at the right time to facilitate corrective decision making. Diary notes. While most people do not use this mode of recording information, it remains an important option. It is essential to record key decisions which may have been made at formal or informal meetings. Its format should be simple, giving the date, time, place, and name of the people present when the decision was taken. However, experience project evaluation. Evaluation simply refers to the procedures of fact finding. Evaluation consists of assessments whether or not certain activities, treatment, and interventions are in conformity with journal accepted professional standards. Evaluation is essentially the study and review of past operating experience. Methods of evaluation. First hand information. One of the easiest and simplest method of evaluation about the progress, performance, problem areas, etc. of a project from a host of staff, line officers, field personals, public and other specialists who are directly associated with the project. Project status report. From these, one can understand the current status, performance schedule, cost, and hold ups deviation from the original schedule. Graphic presentations through display of chart, graph, pictures, etc. Informal report. Informal reports such as anonymous letters, press reports, complaints by beneficiaries, and petitions. Project schedule charts. These indicates the time schedule for implementation of the project. Abandonment analysis. Project abandonment analysis is a process that organizations should execute before making decisions upon stopping or continuation of their projects. These analysis embraces economic and administrative consideration that an organization should give to their project prior to making well-grounded project. Project abandonment analysis comprises the following considerations: justifying reasons for organization to shut certain project down, why it does not make sense anymore to continue this project and why it is better to terminate it, comparing losses that a company will incur from abandonment of certain projects against the profit it can prospectively earn by reallocation of resources to other projects, appraising values of unattained benefit belonging to projects to be abandoned, evaluation of effect that project abandonment may cause to an organization owning it. Thanks.